In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Shopify theme code. Whether you've been experimenting with design customization or perhaps something went awry during the process, resetting your theme can be an essential step to get your online store back on track. Don't worry, I'll guide you through this process with ease. First, you'll want to access your Shopify admin. Go ahead and log in to get to the main dashboard. From here, look to your left and click on Online Store. Once you've clicked there, the list will expand. Now, you'll see the Themes option. Choose that. This is where you manage all things related to how your store looks to the public. Upon reaching the Themes page, you'll see a section called Current Theme. This displays the theme that is currently live on your website. To move forward with the reset, search for the Actions button located on the right-hand side under the current theme. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Edit Code. Now, you'll find yourself in the Theme Editor section. Here comes an optional, yet highly recommended step: create a backup of your current theme. Trust me, you won't regret a little precaution. Go back to the previous page with the Actions drop-down menu and select Download Theme File. This saves your current theme's code onto your computer, serving as a safety net should you need it in the future. With the backup secure, proceed to reset. To do this, find the Assets folder in the left-hand column of the code editor. Browse the files and select any that you might have altered. These files typically end in .liquid or .scss.liquid. For each file, look for a link to older versions at the top of the page. Click it. Here you can restore a previous version of the file, usually by selecting the initial or default version. Whenever you revert a file to its previous iteration, make sure to hit Save. After each file restoration, head back to check how it visually affects your site. You can do this by clicking Preview on the top right corner of the theme editor. This gives you a live look without saving any irreversible changes. Remember, patience is your friend here. Applying these resets can take a bit of time, especially if multiple files need attention. If at any point something doesn't seem right or if you're unsure of which files need restoration, take advantage of Shopify support or community resources for additional guidance. Finally, after you've restored the necessary files to their previous versions, test your site's functionality thoroughly. Ensure that everything is working seamlessly and all major functionalities are intact. And there you have it. The process of resetting your Shopify theme code is complete. This practice empowers you to regain control when experimentation leads to unexpected results. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial proves valuable as you navigate your online store's journey.